Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you some stunning wood art decorations that are perfect for art lovers. Wood art is a timeless and versatile way to add character and warmth to any space. This intricate wall sculpture is a perfect example of how wood can be transformed into a stunning piece of art. Wooden furniture can also be a work of art. This coffee table, with its elegant design and natural wood finish, adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Whether you prefer minimalist and modern designs or intricate and detailed carvings, there's a wood art piece out there for every art lover. From small accents to statement pieces, wood art can elevate the style of your home. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of wood art decorations for art lovers. If you're looking to add a touch of nature and craftsmanship to your home, consider incorporating some wood art into your decor. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our channel, where we explore creative and unique ways to incorporate wood art into your home decor. In this video, we'll be sharing some inspiring ideas to help you elevate your space with the beauty of wood art. Let's dive in. One way to incorporate wood art into your home is by using a statement piece, like a large wooden wall art installation. This can serve as a focal point in a room and add warmth and texture to the space. Another idea is to use wooden sculptures or figurines to add a touch of nature and organic beauty to your decor. These can be placed on shelves, tables, or even mounted on the wall for a striking visual impact. Wooden frames are a classic way to showcase artwork or photographs, but you can also use them to create a gallery wall with a mix of wood art pieces in different shapes and sizes for a dynamic look. Don't forget about functional wood art pieces, like wooden serving trays, cutting boards, or plant stands. These items not only add style to your home but also serve a practical purpose. For a more subtle touch of wood art, consider incorporating wooden accents like candle holders, coasters, or decorative bowls. These small details can make a big impact in your overall decor scheme. Whether you prefer bold statement pieces or subtle accents, there are endless ways to incorporate wood art into your home decor. We hope these ideas have inspired you to get creative with wood art in your own space. Here are a few more wood art decoration inspiration ideas to elevate your space. 1. Wood wall shelves. Install wooden wall shelves to display your favorite decor items, books, or plants. The natural texture of the wood will add warmth and character to your walls. 2. Wooden wall clock. A wooden wall clock can be both functional and decorative. Choose a stylish wooden clock with unique detailing to enhance the aesthetic of your space. 3. Wood art panels. Create a stunning focal point in your room by hanging multiple wood art panels in a grid formation. This modern and artistic approach can add depth and interest to your walls. 4. Wooden plant hangers. Hang wooden plant hangers from the ceiling or on the wall to showcase your indoor plants in a creative way. The combination of wood and greenery can bring a refreshing and natural vibe to your home. 5. Custom wood art. Consider commissioning a custom wood art piece from a local artist or craftsman. Personalized wood art can reflect your individual style and personality, making it a truly unique addition to your home decor. These additional ideas can help you explore different ways to incorporate wood art into your home and create a space that is both visually appealing and inviting. Let your creativity flow and enjoy the beauty of wood art in your living environment. 6. Wooden wall sculptures. Add dimension and texture to your walls with wooden wall sculptures. These intricate and artistic pieces can serve as eye-catching focal points in your space, creating a sense of depth and visual interest. 7. Wood carvings. Incorporate hand-carved wooden pieces into your decor, such as figurines, bowls, or decorative accents. These unique and detailed wood carvings can add a touch of craftsmanship and tradition to your home. 8. Wooden picture frames. Showcase your favorite photos or artwork in wooden picture frames. The natural beauty of the wood frame can complement the images within, creating a cohesive and stylish display. 9. Wood accent furniture. Integrate wood accent furniture pieces, such as a wooden coffee table, side table, or console, into your living space. These functional and decorative items can enhance the overall aesthetic of your room while providing practical storage and display options. 10. Wooden wall hangings. Explore different styles of wooden wall hangings, such as macrame wall art, wooden tapestries, or geometric wood designs. These versatile decor pieces can add a touch of bohemian charm or modern sophistication to your walls. 11. Wood vases and planters. Add a touch of nature to your home with wooden vases and planters. These versatile decor items can hold fresh flowers, greenery, or succulents, bringing life and color into your space while complementing the warmth of the wood. 12. Wooden wall shelves. Install wooden wall shelves to display books, decorative objects, or plants. These functional and stylish shelves can help organize your space while adding visual interest and a touch of rustic charm to your walls. 13. Wood wall clocks. Incorporate a wooden wall clock into your decor to add a functional and decorative element to your space. Choose a wooden clock with a unique design or intricate details to make a statement on your wall. 14. Wooden mirrors. Enhance the beauty of your space with a wooden framed mirror. The natural warmth of the wood frame can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to dimension and texture to your walls. These decorative panels come in various designs, from geometric patterns to abstract shapes, and can be arranged in different configurations to create a unique focal point in your room. 18. Wooden serving trays. Serve drinks and snacks in style with wooden serving trays. Opt for trays with intricate carvings or natural wood grain patterns to add a touch of sophistication to your entertaining space. 19. Wood carvings and sculptures. Display wooden carvings and sculptures as art pieces in your home. Choose handcrafted wooden sculptures that reflect your personal taste and style, whether it's a minimalist abstract sculpture or a detailed figurative carving. 20. Wooden room dividers. Divide your space with wooden room dividers to create separate zones or add privacy to an open floor plan. Wooden room dividers can also serve as decorative elements that enhance the overall aesthetic of your room. 21. Wood accent furniture. Incorporate wood accent furniture, such as a wooden bench, side table, or console, to add warmth and character to your space. Mix and match different wood finishes and styles to create a curated look that reflects your design sensibilities. 22. Wooden picture frames. Showcase your favorite photos or artwork in wooden picture frames. Choose frames in various shapes and sizes to create a gallery wall or display individual frames on shelves or tables for a personal touch. 23. Wood textile prints. Add a touch of nature-inspired art to your space with wood textile prints. These prints feature wood grain patterns or botanical motifs printed on textiles like pillows, curtains, or wall hangings, adding a rustic and organic feel to your decor. 24. Custom wood art pieces. Consider commissioning custom wood art pieces from local artisans or craftsmen to create one-of-a-kind decor items that reflect your unique style and preferences. From custom wood furniture to personalized wood signs, these bespoke pieces can add a special touch to your home. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of wood art decorations for art lovers. If you're looking to add a touch of nature and craftsmanship to your home, consider incorporating some wood art into your decor. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Stay tuned for our next video on creative ways to use wood art in your home. See you next time.